Alrighty, guys. So we're replacing the door handle, getting ready for that show. You gotta take your door panel off, take off that plastic covering, and then you could go up here with a wrench. You can get the first one, go take out this little port that looks like this, and you get to this one. And then I will show. I'm gonna put it back together here in a minute. Alright, so once you get the latch back in, make sure it works, close it and all that. And then your next step is going to be putting the door panel back on. So you just gotta slide it on. And then apparently my truck has aftermarket speakers. Never knew that. Alright, line up the bottoms, line up your door lock, and then hit it down. I actually had to unscrew this one. Yeah, that's cool. Cool, now I gotta take this all back off. And we got it. Alright, so you got one bolt right here. And you gotta put your door handle back on. Should have one bolt right here, but I don't have that bolt. When I took off the door panel, it wasn't there, so I'm not worried about it. But there we go. So for your door handle, you gotta pop that off, spin that like that. So this is going to be a Phillips 10, actually that's a 7, my bad. And that should be a 7 as well. And then for the last little bit, just boom, just like that. Line it up. You won't have this wire right here. That's just because this one has aftermarket wiring. Well, custom wiring on this truck. And just like that, bada boom, bada bing. And then, a lot of people don't know this, there's actually not a light in here. So just pop that back in there as well. And you're all done. Just to make sure. Let's go ahead and test it. That's about as good as I could get that, but make sure the door latch works. It does kind of like still stick out. I'm guessing someone's pried on this door before. Sweet, we're good to go. Let's put these tools up.